Hi, in this video, you can know how to create gradient map on Photoshop. Choose the brush, take the black color to create the different values. Give the mid-range color, choose a light gray color from the color palette and start putting on the screen. And give the highlighters as a white color where you can give the three different shades like shadow, tone and highlights. To create this gradient map, you should use liquify from the palette, from the window. In liquify, choose this brush and start moving on the screen to create the effect as the brush is doing on the screen. This is really nice, and you can create the different kind of backgrounds, different kind of liquify shades for the backgrounds for different applications you want to choose. Sometimes you can use it for the glass color effects, which has to give you different values of the screen. From the layer, you can choose and convert into smart object. Now you created the layer into the smart object, and from the window choose adjustments. In adjustments, you have a choice of gradient map, and you can choose the different color from the pre-selected values given by the Photoshop. Choose the desired which you like and see the effect. Now you can see the gradient map pasted on the gray shade, and it's giving a very beautiful values on the screens. You can edit the color gradient map with your choice of the color and to create the different effects. See, this is the effect we have created from the grayscale to the colored screen. Let's check for another gradient map shade, some different values. See, this is a really realistic aqua shade. You can get it. You can use for the water shade and water objects.